It was just after midnight when Mia's phone rang. The loud sound woke her up. She sat up in bed and looked at the screen. An unknown number was calling. She felt scared but decided to answer. When she picked up, there was silence. Then a deep voice spoke. The caller said he was watching her. He said he knew her secrets. Mia felt very afraid. She looked out the window but saw only darkness. She thought it might be a prank. The voice told her to watch her back. Mia's heart raced. She wanted to hang up, but she felt too scared. Suddenly, she heard a noise outside. It sounded like footsteps. The voice told her to look outside again. With shaking hands, Mia walked to the window and pulled back the curtain. A streetlight flickered, and she saw a shadowy figure near her house. She felt her breath stop. It was Aryan, a boy from her school. He always acted strange, and now he was watching her. The banging at the front door grew louder. Aryan shouted for Mia to let him in. His voice was urgent, but Mia felt terrified. She grabbed her phone and called the police. She dialed 100, the Indian emergency number. The operator, a man named Ravi, spoke quickly and told her help was on the way. Mia felt a little better, but still trapped. Aryan kept shouting. Mia opened the door. I need to talk to you. Mia backed away from the window, her heart pounding. She took a kitchen knife for protection, holding it tightly in her shaking hands. The door shook as Aryan hit it harder. Why won't you let me in? He shouted. I just want to see you. His words sent waves of fear through Mia. She did not want to let him in, but she was scared of what he might do. Suddenly, her phone buzzed again. A text from an unknown number, look behind you. Mia felt a wave of panic. She quickly turned around and gasped. To her shock, she saw Aryan at the back door. He had slipped in through the unlocked door. He was in the house. Fear rushed through Mia as he moved closer, his face twisted with a strange smile. You shouldn't have ignored me, Mia, he said softly. She wanted to scream, but the sound stuck in her throat. Aryan lunged at her, but the police burst in. They quickly caught Aryan and pulled him away. Mia felt relief as she watched them take him outside in handcuffs. Mia sat on the floor, shaking and crying. She realized she was safe now. The police told her that they would take care of Aryan. They said he would face the law for his actions. Even though she felt safe, Mia knew she would remember the midnight stalker. She learned that not everyone could be trusted and danger could be close.